Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7's web camera for video calls. Before you use your device's webcam, make sure that it's toggled on, so check the right edge of your laptop and make sure that the toggle you see right here is switched to the right. This way you will physically enable your device's camera. After that, let's also make sure that the camera is enabled in settings. So let's open the start menu, go to settings. After that, go to Bluetooth and devices and go to cameras. Now open the integrated camera menu and make sure that you can see yourself in this camera. Then let's also check the privacy and security settings. On the sidebar, select this option and then scroll down to camera and make sure that camera access is enabled, and more importantly that it is enabled for the application where you want to use your camera. So let's pretend that in this case it's Microsoft Teams. Switch the toggle to the right next to Microsoft Teams, and after that you'll be able and fully prepared to start using your camera for video calls. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.